Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I have a special announcement, but first we're gonna do a little bit of makeup, a little wig coloring, you know, because themes. Yeah, I guess let's start with the wig. Okay, so we got this pretty blonde wig right here. We are going to dye her a mix of the blue and pink, obviously. I'm gonna split it like lengthways, so like normally you go like row by row. I'm gonna split it down that way, and I'm gonna do segments to hopefully get a nice mix of the pink and the blue. Yeah. As you can see, this wig's also got some like pretty dark roots, but that doesn't really bother me. So I guess we're just gonna go straight into that. I don't know if you want to like see the dyeing part, because normally I just kind of dye it in fast motion because it can get kind of boring, but like some people find it satisfying. I don't know. I feel like I'm gonna skip it for this one because otherwise it's gonna be a super long video. But if you find it satisfying, let me know and I'll do some actually like close-up shots or whatever. But for this one, we're just gonna. So this blue is like, you know, ultra brights, and I was just like, you know what, I don't want it, oh, hold on, focus, there we go. Don't want it that dark, so let me add some silver, which, you know, it looks like this, right? Silver. What? What? I hope this doesn't mess up, because obviously, like, it's going on the wigs. So as you can see, she's hella dark. I hope it doesn't stay that dark. I think it's just because of the silver that I added to make it more pastel. But I guess we'll see, hopefully. Yeah, I'm gonna re-dye this because I don't know, like, that silver just killed it. I'm just gonna wash this a couple more times to get as much of the dye out, because it is washable dye that I used, thankfully. And then I'm gonna buy some more dye and do it again, because this nasty. It gets worse before it gets better. It gets worse before it gets better. Okay, my guy. This is how she's looking at the moment. You know what? It's not that bad. It's not that bad. Like, we got some color transitions going on. She's okay. Like, please just don't come at me for these roots. I swear I tried. Like, ugh. But you know what? From far back, she's kind of like kawaii. So we're gonna go with that. Okay. So now that we have the wig sorted, we're going to go on to the makeup. Okay, so I've just started with putting the foundation on my eye. I am the person that starts with my eyes first. I never was, but I've been converted. And I think what we're going to do is, because our theme is pink and blue, I'm going to go in with this pink here and match it with that blue, you know? Kind of a vibe. And we're going to take the pink onto the inner corner and over the lid, and blue on the outer corner, cut out the crease, match it with a wing. I know that was a lot of instructions, but you'll see what I mean. And that is it for the makeup, baby girl. I thought this was gonna be a hot mess, but oh, she fire! I feel so like hot. And the wig colors actually turned out super nice with this look. And overall, I'm just super excited. Speaking of excitement, we have to get to the announcement. So I really should have gotten some like balloons or something. I should like, I'll edit some balloons and like post. But exciting news, I have a podcast. I have another channel, guys, and I am co-hosting a podcast on YouTube. What did you guys think the announcement was gonna be? That's right, it's called Zero Function Podcast. I'll have a link in the description below because we've only got 2 subscribers at the moment, so it's kind of hard to find. But if you are interested in murder mysteries and abductions, UFOs, just all that sort of crazy like phenomenon shit, make sure to go check out that podcast, because that is where we will be talking about all that sort of stuff. And you know, you always want to get a little bit more of me. I've really wanted to do a podcast since I don't even know when, and now it's actually a thing. It is audio only at the moment, but if you subscribe, you know, maybe we can get the ball rolling so we can actually get some cameras in and you can actually watch us do a podcast, because that would be a fab. So please go over and subscribe to that channel and subscribe to this channel, because you know we have fun over here already. So like this video, comment down below, tell me how I did, how this look is. And make sure to subscribe, hit that bell icon to turn on post notifications so you get a notification every single time that I post. And I will see you in the next video. Goodbye!